My name is Vinod Grover. I am the Managing Director. I was the founder of the Kaizen Institute in India. See, the assessment framework for IMEXI has been designed keeping in mind all the contemporary manufacturing excellence initiatives that the world has been going on. Traditionally, quality used to be the main focus. Later on, it became TQM. Lean manufacturing came in, theory of constraints came in, TPM came in. And in the later years now, digitalization, AI and things like ESG, environmental, social and governance initiatives, they are getting more and more prominent for identifying excellence. So this framework that has been designed to keep world-class benchmarks in mind. And in that journey, there are several steps: level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. So as we carry out the assessment, look at the reality on the workplace, talk to people, map some processes, we are able to assess how much is the maturity level, what are the gaps, and because we are able to identify the gaps and tell people what new initiatives they need to take in order to bridge those gaps. So they have a clear roadmap on what to do and what should be the priorities. You can't do so many things together. So we also tell them what priorities to follow. So that's how it helps.